Good morning, 7th class. Exercise 14.3. First question. Name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Now you have to tell two figures. Those both have rotational and symmetry line. So that is the square and circle. देखो, in square 4 symmetry lines are there, and we did this square in exercise 14.2 also, that if we will rotate the square, so there will be rotational symmetry lines. ठीक है? And circle also. In circle infinite symmetry lines, and it has rotational symmetry line also, because when we will rotate the circle, so at every point it will be same. ठीक है? तो square and circles, two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Second question is, draw wherever possible a rough sketch of a triangle with both line and rotational symmetries of order more than 1. It means you have to draw a triangle who have both lines, symmetry line also and rotational symmetry line also. So this also we did in 14.2, that equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry and it has rotational line of symmetry also. Rotational means when I will rotate this equilateral triangle, देखो, look at this, because all three sides are equal. Here is point on the top and there is a straight line. Chalo, now we will rotate it like this. Now look at this. Here this is also the triangle, straight line, and there is top. ठीक है? Again if we will rotate it, one time हो गया, two time, again there is top and straight baseline, second, and third will be like this, top and baseline. So it has rotational symmetry line also and symmetry lines also. Second is a triangle with only line symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. He is saying now you have to draw a triangle who have only symmetry line, no rotational line. So that is this isosceles triangle. ठीक है? In isosceles triangle only one line of symmetry is there, है ना? These two sides are equal, this is different. Now it has no rotational symmetry line, because when we will rotate it, देखो, look at this figure, there is a top and this is the line. When we will rotate it like this, it is not same, because in that figure there is small line is coming on base, है ना? When we will rotate it like this, so in base there is big line is coming here. ठीक है? Its length is more than this length, because it is an isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle there is no rotational symmetry lines, only one line symmetry line will come. ठीक है? Now third is a quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line of symmetry. Now you have to draw a quadrilateral in which rotational symmetry line should be there but no line of symmetry. So that is parallelogram. In parallelogram there is no line of symmetry, but when we will rotate it like this, देखिए, look at this, the right side is falling like this here, है ना? This is right side or it is coming outside ना? ये remember this sign. ठीक है? So now when we will rotate it, तो there should be right side बाहर आनी चाहिए. तो like this we will rotate. देखिए, look at this right side again coming outside. This is the one order of rotational of symmetry. Then again rotate it, again right side is coming, 2 times it is coming. So it has rotational symmetry line. ठीक है. Now next part. Fourth is a quadrilateral with line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry. He's saying now draw a quadrilateral with it that has line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry. So that is the kite. You know that this is the shape of kite. It is has the line of symmetry but it has no rotational symmetry. देखो why? Because this part is larger than this part, है ना? So when we will rotate it, so look at this. It is not equal. देखो ना, this upper part should be small. These two sides should be small, top sides, and the bottom side should be big. So like check it. It is rotating or not? No. देखो, look at this. Top sides are coming big, but I told you that top side should be smaller. So this it has no rotational symmetry. It has only one line of symmetry. Now class, next question is third. If a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than one? वो कह रहा है कि अगर किसी फिगर की दो या दो से ज्यादा सिमेट्री लाइंस होती हैं तो उसकी मोर देन वन ऑर्डर की रोटेशनल सिमेट्री हो सकती है. यस, इट इज पॉसिबल. वी डिड इन 14.2. यस, in square and circle there are more than one line of symmetry and it has rotational symmetry order more than one. ठीक है. Now next fourth question. Fill in the blanks. These are the shapes. He is saying what is the center of rotation of square. Now I told you, I will tell you what will be the square, center of rotation of square. देखिए, I am giving you one example. This is a square. Center of rotation means this center point. So this is the center point of circle. Where this point is lying? Yes, where this point is lying? This point is intersecting on the diagonals. है ना? So what is the center of rotation of the square? So you will write center of rotation of the square. Center of rotation of square, intersecting point of diagonals. This is the center point of square. Where it is lying? It is intersecting on the diagonals. So you will write here intersecting point of diagonals. Now in rectangle also where center of rotation will come? मतलब rectangle will be rotate from where? Its center. So its center where will come? Intersecting point of diagonals also in rectangle. है ना? Like this. If this is a rectangle, so where where center of rotation will come? Here. Where it will be lie? It is called the intersection point of diagonals. ठीक है? In rhombus also center of rotation where it will come? Intersecting point of diagonals. Now in equilateral triangle, if there is an equilateral triangle, so where center point will come? Now it will intersecting point of no diagonals. You know na, there is no diagonal in triangle. There will be median. So their angle of center of rotation will be intersecting point of medians in equilateral triangle. Now in regular hexagon, of course hexagon has diagonals, so center of rotation will be intersecting point of diagonals. And in circle and in semicircle also, if there is circle and this is the center of rotation, so it will be lie on the diameter. So you will write midpoint of diameter. This center of rotation, it will be midpoint of the diameter in semicircle also. ये देखो, this is the semicircle, this is the center of rotation, so this is the midpoint of the diameter. So these are the center of rotation. Now in this next in fill up in next column is order of rotation. You have to tell order of rotation. These order of rotation we did in exercise 14.2. Square. What is the order of rotation of square? That is 4. Order of rotation of rectangle 2. Order of rotation of rhombus 2. Order of rotation of equilateral triangle 3. Order of rotation of regular hexagon 6. Order of rotation of circle infinite. ठीक है, बिकॉज इन सर्कल आप किधर से भी देखोगे आपको सेम फिगर नजर आएगी हर बार सर्कल की, है ना. सो इनफिनाइट. And in semicircle only one. देखो, this is the semicircle. If we will rotate this semicircle, we have to find the order of rotation. Look at this. On the top there is circle curve shape, and on base there is line. So chalo check. On the top there should be curve shape. Rotate it. No. Only one. On this condition, in this one condition it is coming. So order of rotation here is 1. Okay, now after order of rotation you have to find angle of rotation. अब there is a formula if you have to find angle of rotation. What is the formula of angle of rotation? Angle of rotation is equal to, you know now what is the complete angle? That is 360 degree. 360 degree divide by order of rotation. These order of rotation. When 360 divided by order of rotation, then you will get angle of rotation. Means किस angle पे आके वो figure same होगी. Angle of rotation means when you rotate the figure, on which angle the figure will be same as earlier. So you have to find angle of rotation. 360 divide by 4, 90 degree. So it means in square it will be same on 90 degree. Then 360 divide by 2, 180 degree. In rectangle it will be same on 180 degree angle. Again in rhombus 180. Then in equilateral triangle 120. In regular hexagon 60 degree. And in circle infinite. ठीक है, if order of rotation infinite, तो at every point circle should be same, है ना. जब आप सर्कल को रोटेट करोगे तो at every point it will be same like this. देखो, it will be same. So its answer is at every point. And semicircle 360 divided by 1, 360 degree. सेमी सर्कल अभी आपने देखा सिर्फ वन साइड पर एक बार कंप्लीट होने पर ही आपको सेम लगा था, तो दैट इज 360 डिग्री. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5 is, name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotation symmetry of order more than 1. हाँ जी, tell me, name the quadrilateral which have both line, rotational and symmetry also. That is square. ठीक है. Now 6th question. After rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what other angle will this happen for the figure? He is saying if one figure is there, ठीक है, ठीक है, if he is saying if one figure is there and it is rotating at 60 degree angle, when we will rotate this at 60 degree angle, then it will look same. So he is saying now further on which angle it should be same. ठीक है, अब जब हम उसको दोबारा रोटेट करेंगे तो किस एंगल पर वो दोबारा वैसी ही दिखेगी. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, देयर इज अ मेथड. 60 डिग्री ऑन 60 डिग्री इट इज सेम ना, तो 60 प्लस 60 120. नाउ ऑन नेक्स्ट 120 डिग्री एंगल द फिगर शुड बी सेम. ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड नेक्स्ट एंगल. सो इन 120 एड अगेन 60, तो नाउ 180. ऑन 180 डिग्री angle the figure should be same that earlier in given in question. Now we will check out on next angle. 180 plus 60, 180 plus 60 250. Now 240 degree angle the figure look same as given in question. Now 240 plus 60, it will be 300. Now on 300 it look same. Now next 300 plus 60 again, 360. When complete angle will come, then stop there. So there are 4 angles, 120, 180, 240, 300 and 360. On these 5 angles the figure looks same that as given in question earlier. Okay. Now in 7th question also he is saying, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than one whose angle of rotation is 45 degree again and 17 degree. He is saying if this angle of rotation is given, then on next angle it will be come same position, matlab angle of rotation of symmetry you have to find. So same method we will find out. If 45 plus 45 90, 90 plus 45 135, you will add 145 45. If 360 will come at last, okay, then yes, on these different angles the figure should be look same as given in the question. But if sum is not coming 360, it is coming more than 360, ठीक है, या कुछ गलत आ रहा है, तो it means the figure will not look exact on these angles. Now second, 17 degree. There is another method to have to check that it looks same on different angles or not. If figure is starting from 17 degree, so what you will do division, 360 divided by 17. If remainder is coming here, so it means no, on this angle 17 degree the figure should be not look same.